The stream should be on. Okay. Tests.
What is this?
Okay, hello?
What is this?
I think this is better. I don't know. Or this one. So I'm gonna choose between one of those three. Cause I don't want that background noise. This will come from the laptop too, I think. I think the music's the problem. I don't. Actually, I guess there's no music. Okay. Oh wait, you guys could hear that? Wait. This one's better. Alright, I see the problem. Alright, so I'm just gonna interact, pause it, close that, display. See if that's better. If it does something. Took off that garbage. I'm just kidding. Alright, I think this will be good. I think that's a pretty good rate of, I think that's a pretty good rate of, voice to music ratio. Alright, I'm just gonna check in if it's working alright. cool. Alright. I think we're chilling then. Okay, I don't want to be too loud. Alright, I think that's good. Alright, shit, bro. So it's a red line here with the podcast. Means like on this one.
Okay, I'm back.
SGBX. It looks like it is dumping. Let's check it out. SBGX. Let's turn off these big buttons. We don't need them. Check out the rest. That is me. My OBS might crash because of all the streaming. I'm connected to the wrong internet too. Alright, I'm gonna stop and come back right back. Come right back. Okay. Did I fix it? I think I fixed it. Delayed data. Connecting. Scanner's working. Why isn't this working? SBGX. Let's let it load then. Nope. This is a meme song that I put in for no reason. Shit. Okay. MVIS taking heavy hits. 1.5 and normal chart. MVIS. Hit 1.7 this morning, went down 20 cents. I think it hit off this Bollinger Band and then it's just trying to break 168-ish. I think that's a resistance. 168 and then 168, 157. Supports looking like 147. 147-ish. 147, 146, yeah. Yeah, it looks pretty normal across here. MVS, SBGX, FETU gas. It's of how do you change that? Do you not really don't want you guys? Alright, 253. MBRX got suspended by SEC. MBRX SEC suspension. Commission temporarily suspended trading in securities MBRX because of questions regarding the accuracy and adequacy. I can't speak. Okay, adequacy of information in the marketplace about the company and its securities. False info about antigen detection. Okay, I'm gonna go mute.
I don't ever wanna talk about it. I don't ever wanna see you. Everybody, they be changing now. Now you see what the cheese do. I understand, charging to the game. Everybody wanna feast too. I put gold all up on my neck. I put gold on my teeth too. I ain't never stayed from the jump. How you say that I leave you? How you say that I left you? First year was the best you. After all the dumb shit that you did.
Alright, right now we're doing pretty well. Um, 7 a.m. Actually, in because hold on. In celebration of 7 a.m. Let's play 7 a.m. because 7 a.m. about right here it jumped from 45 back up to 1.6. Yeah. So now we're just chilling. No, you don't buy it after an offering zero prices. You don't want to buy. I'll buy 200 shares at 10 a.m. Can I sell them once market closes? Talking about SGBX, but I don't know. Well, loading, there we go. Wow, that was a big jump. 4 o'clock it went from 5 to almost $8. That's about the calculator real quick. I think they have one built in. Go here, calculator. So 759 divided by 5.6. 35% gain. 36. Good stuff, good stuff. See. Let's look at our scanner, see what's popping up, what's not popping up. MVIS Mark SGBX KTOV. MRK. Oh shit, you know what? Mark change. Let's see what's good. Your job is to short on the backside. If you don't know how to do that, then your job is to very simple as that. Ignorance, that's all. That's the stock market. Those 95% lose, you bet your ass. They aren't looking at filings, so they don't know not to buy. It's like they're about to die. When is the offering? That garbage, bro. Dude, and I'm just hoping that I can get to 1.2k on this account at least. And I would basically double my account, and then on top of that, I have extra. Anyways, I think what price do I need to get at to win this? Profit loss placement. I don't know. Come on, don't do this. I don't know how to close this. Anyways, you guys even see it? Display capture 2. Alright, basically, he's at 1.5k. And I was at 718 yesterday. You guys can't really see that. Browser, display capture 2, unlock that. There you go, now you can see it. Right now, I am number 4 in placement, but I'm hoping this shit gets to like $3 and something, so I can win this challenge, bro. It's first to 25k. If you guys want to join in on it, let me know and I can invite you to the Discord group. Alright, oh shit. Take you. Fuck that. Ooh, I just noticed that it ticks out. I guess MACD isn't that important, but RSI is important, so I kind of want you guys to see that. Dude, Microvision is doing me so well. I literally love it. Alright, I mean, I guess MACD is important, but... Okay, hold on. Edit. Shit, I went to the wrong one. I just want to check you out. Edit studies. Put the lower. I guess we're gonna have to keep it there. Damn it. What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna just want to see what it sounds like. Okay, yeah, the volume is really messed up. I'm gonna have to wait to check if it's working or not.
These niggas well up.
I don't want to be too annoying. I'm gonna have to figure out this volume thing. Or I might as well just turn off the music. Alright, let's see what's happening. No reason, just wondering. Should call you for doing soup. Pleasure looking us relax. Call this. Let's call him. Hello? One second. Oh, hold on. I have. Okay, there you go. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Okay. Call and snap. Okay. Sean, can you give me? Hello? One second. Oh, hold on. Okay, there you go. Hello? Hello?
Because this is like the one that moves so quick and shit. And stuff is like,
Yeah,
damn, look at it.
it went up like 30 something percent in like a minute.
I know. As soon as I saw the news, great, but it's like the offering just keeps messing with me. I can't get in when they have like an anticipated offering and stuff. I don't even know why people are getting in this high. This is so crazy.
Do you even know what the offering is? Well, it's obviously going to be lower than the stock
They don't
price.
have a. They're gonna do a 2-to-1 split, so it's gonna fall like twice. So like divide the stock price by 3, and then multiply it by 2, and that's gonna be your like actually just divide the price by 3, and that's gonna be the price after the drop, basically.
It's 2 for 1.
But yeah, this. So
Why?
it's gonna.
Are they
Like
like?
if it's at 9 right now, it's gonna like drop to 3 after the dilution. But the fact is, like honestly, who's pushing this up right now? Like especially when there isn't offering news. I mean, like some people, I guess, are just taking the risk that they could push this up really high and cash out with something before the offering happens. That's some risky ass gamble because this thing could drop to 3 in an instant.
Yeah. Jeez, man.
I don't know. I think MVIS is the safe play though, so I'm probably just gonna dump it all into MVIS. Let me see what else is there.
You should have gotten in at 1.4. It hit 1.4
Yeah.
like 7 minutes before 4 o'clock. Anyways, yeah, dude,
No,
I
I mean
sold.
like it's not moving too fast, so I could catch it any time. But yeah, just I'm so pissed off. This, like I already called SGBX in the morning. Like I looked at the news, I was doing all the research and stuff. And I was like, "This is great news for this company." And then they give out an offering, and I was like, "Oh shit."
What was the news?
They're gonna make mobile testing centers. So they're a shipping company. SGBX has those shipping containers or something. They do like the mobile homes and stuff that are made out of shipping containers, which are weird, but they do. They make those like little things. And somehow they started making like mobile testing centers and stuff, and they made mobile like recovery areas. And for they're in Brooklyn. They basically based in Brooklyn. So now they have the COVID test partnership, and they're gonna make like mobile testing center spots using their cargo ship
Oh,
container
okay.
things. Yeah, so
All right. Dude, I sold. I convinced my mom to sell out all of the MFA shares and put it all into MVS on Robinhood. So hopefully I can make back those losses.
hopefully, yeah, that's definitely a good thing.
Uh, three. I mean, if it hits $2.80, that's an easy cash out, and then I can walk out with 2.5K or something like that.
What makes you think it'll get there? I mean, maybe you could, but I don't know. There's no real price targets for these things. Um, Let me just see.
I don't know, man. The sky's the limit, but I know for sure it will hit the two, and it will hit the two at some point in time today.
SGVX is definitely the highest riser so far, and I don't think it'll ever come back, to reality until after it gets to past the offering price.
Mm.
After it does the offering, the best time for it to do the offering is right now. So then they can collect their money, and they can and people can see it as a good deal just before market opens. And usually any company that's got news about an offering does it in the pre-market. So that's my assumption is as soon as this thing can do an offering, so many people will pick it up, even with the 2 to 1, even the 2 to 1 thing, that people will pick it up because like they were aware that this is going to happen. And then after that, they pick that up, then it's all rise after that. So the company gets their money, the investors got their money, whoever bought their shares or whatever got their money, and then now everyone is all looking forward for the future of the company. You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
that's that's what I'm waiting for is some sort of offering news,
Mm.
and I'll get in. But I'm hoping they do that just before the market opens, because that was crazy though, getting to $9.
It hit nine. I only saw it go to seven. Hold on.
It was at $3, 360 or so in the morning. I think. What was it? No, it was five. It jumped to five. Wait, it was So before the aftermarket yesterday, it was at um, three. No, it was 425, 420 basically. Oh wow, from 420 all the way to 9.
Mm.
Nah,
Especially.
there's what did CLSK do? What's the news on CLSK? I saw something about like good earnings. Um, year of date
CLS.
revenue. through April, I don't see any reason why it would do that much of a jump. Like, there's no reason whatsoever it would do something like that to get to 245. But coming back down to reality, though. Um,
Announces increase in revenue.
yeah, that's stupid. TTI was also mentioned as something. So TTI, what's that got? Oh wow. How do they do these things? It's just like the earnings expectations. TTI was like they were mentioning yesterday, and I was
Whoa,
like, okay.
dude. SGBX has a really low float.
Obviously, 1 million. That's how I made a lot of money. Like I called
And
it twice in a row.
they're halving
What?
they're halving that too. So it's gonna be 750K or something like that.
What would?
The shares would be cut in half, right? If they're doing a 2-for-1.
No. The price of the shares are gonna be cut in half because they're diluted. No, by a third. It's gonna be dropped by a third of its price because they're giving out more shares. They're offering more shares. So they're giving.
They're offering.
They're putting more shares out in the market, so the price of each share is worth less. You get?
Oh
you get
yeah,
what I'm saying?
okay. I thought they were doing a reverse stock split.
No, it's offering and reverse stock splits. They're both sides of like the same coin.
Okay.
Offering is when they take they drop more shares into the market, and a reverse stock split is when they take a whole bunch of their like cheaper shares and they join them together to make one bigger share. You know, one big that's worth more. TTI is moving up, and that's only because of an earnings report. And people were talking about it yesterday that it would have had good earnings and it could jump up. That's the thing. I don't know. I feel like earnings plays would have been like very easy for us to do. Like with certain companies, I think. Yeah. What's TTI's main focus?
The shares would be cut in half, right? If they're doing
I don't know.
TTI adjusted EPS is higher than the estimate.
Earnings reports today after
They have a conference call today too. MVIS. Or wait, no, not today. Hold on. Let me just check. They have it on the they have it today actually. Central Time, 8:00, 8:30.
Disney has an earnings call today. May 5th is everybody's. Harris Corporation has it today. PCA. There's so many companies, man. How does anyone keep track of all this stuff?
I have 2 day trades on TD Ameritrade.
There's like a list of companies that are doing like how many of these companies are doing earnings calls today? A lot of them I've never heard of. Space is doing it? Oh shit. Space is doing an earnings call today? That doesn't make sense. I mean, Space will always lose out on earnings call because it's worth crap. But people like Space more than they like Tesla.
SpaceX?
I mean, not that I'm saying that. It's just people play more call options on Space than they do Tesla. Damn, Tesla keeps doing this shit. Like goes down for some stupid reason, like Elon Musk.
Elon got a kid now.
Announcement: if it goes below 700, it just like rockets up to 800. Oh man, how's Spy looking today? Spy's looking fine. Somewhat uptrending. Yep, uptrending. This is not a bad day. I'm all liquid though. I sold out of everything. even MVIS. I'm right now not. I'm looking for the next best thing.
What happened to the other stock you were in this morning? Did you
Which
sell
one?
out for profit?
APDN
Yeah.
sucks. I sold out.
At a loss or profit?
Yeah, at a loss.
I don't understand why you hold for way too long.
Because if you expect the company to actually the one thing was I was expecting it to, jump in the market, which it didn't happen. But then I just like, you know what? I'm not gonna trade this because it could jump in the future. But other than that, I just, I thought I bought in well enough. It's 9.58, end up being like less than 9. Um, yeah, no, I can't sell out though. It's just
Mentality?
my crux. Yeah, it's like if I did a good, if I made it better, I have to like make a better decision the next time, and I gotta learn why it did what it did. That's my point is like I shouldn't be going into things like haphazardly. I should be doing it with full, expectation of where it's supposed to be and everything.
Oh man.
How's BTC looking?
Bitcoin?
Yeah, damn. This it went to 8,000. Shit, 9,000 almost.
Oh shit, it dropped. Oh no, it's only 300.
Back to 9,000, dude. I remember it was 4,000 in a sec. It was like twice your money on that. Just with that, like I don't know. I feel like buying Bitcoin is like buying gold, but to be able to double up in like about a month.
Yeah, in March
I mean,
it was at 4.8k.
mm,
But like with day trading, it can double your money way faster. Like I already doubled it in a week, in 3 day trades.
yeah, I know. I mean, it's not safe, but it's possible. PTLA. What the hell did that do?
PTLA.
Um,
Oh, that just jumped from
Somebody,
7 to
some
18.
company, yeah, some company is buying it out for $18 a share, while it's trading it at $6 a share. Some people knew that though. Look at this, just before market closed, there's a whole bunch of people that bought it.
Holy sh!
There was like some spike in volume just
Why
before
did?
market closed. But no, that's just so that's a merger deal. It just like goes
A
up to
merger
that
or a
higher
buyout?
price and stays there.
People are saying Zoom.
What's up? What about Zoom?
I don't know. Someone just said Zoom, but I don't see it on the scanner.
ZM? No, it wouldn't move on the scanner because it's not low flow, and also it's not like low. It won't. It's too Zoom is too high price. People just talk about it like they do about Boeing or some. Hey, what's SGBX doing? Did it just do its offering already, yo?
Every penny stock hit $1 according to Stock Twits. Yo, that be blowing mine.
What's Mark doing?
about to-
MARK. That was people were interested in Mark. Mark broke less than the 7. I have always hate the fact that people like this Chinese company. It's actually a tech company, which is okay, but I mean, yesterday it really did like solidly well, and it didn't like every time it did like a tweet, it tweeted out something, its stock price would rise, and then right afterwards it will fall back down to wherever it was trading at previously. But this time around, it just like held its high. How's MVIS doing?
It's trying to break 167.
It's like the fifth riser today. Actually, it's fourth riser right now.
Dude,
it kicked
imagine
out
if I had
to-
held
yeah.
on that 80 cents, bro. Still punching the air about that, but.
I need to know what's good today. I would really just go for SGVX, but it needs to do its freaking offering. What's Rumble? Why is this guy touting Rumble? Looks like a crap company. TGTX, what the heck? Jumped from $12 to $20. There's some phase 3 patients with corona lymphocyte lymphoma.
NBRV 700,000 volume. It went up 15% almost.
I've seen NBRV before. Nabripa. Bacterial pneumonia. Yeah, this is COVID related. This is interesting. They don't give really good news.
Dude.
Which one?
Correct me if I'm wrong for this rule. I'm just reading a quote from StockTwits. Max share price achieved at any moment. Minimum price of acquisition cannot be lower than the max share price achieved at any moment. So if we rise up to 5, that is the minimal price for M&A, etc., etc. So maybe institutional shareholders also want to support the price to go up and up and up. It doesn't matter if it will hold, it's just important that it's achieved. So if this is true, then yeah, is that true?
KLPN? Sorry?
Is that true? That if a company were to be bought out, it has to be the minimum price of acquisition cannot be lower than the max share price achieved at any moment.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
Yeah, that's true, obviously, but this is you think Microsoft is actually buying it out as opposed to just partnering it with it? Why would they buy MVIS out? Why would they acquire?
I don't know.
What's up with this company that Microsoft would actually want to buy it? Let's see. Unless they're
Thing is, this company's like a 20, 30 minute drive away from my house. I could just go there. I could just go there and ask about the Microsoft shit, bro. So what's up with
Microsoft? If you want to do some sleuthing and stuff. But no, when was this founded? When was MVIS founded?
I think 2009 it said, but I'll check it. Hold on. MVIS. No shit. 1993.
Laser beam scanning technology. Yeah. It was founded in 1993, headquarters in Redmond. It could be gearing up for an exit, but normally a company that's publicly traded doesn't want to go, wouldn't want to be acquired. There would be no point in it. It's got 30 employees, man. The MVIS has 30 employees.
Okay, and I'm just kidding. Why would that matter, bro?
Look, okay, so there's three reasons why a company would acquire another company, right? One of them is because you got the connections in the cloud or the contracts that this other company has that you want. So if this company's got like a really big contract with the government or something, then another company would buy you out just because you've got a big, contract and they can execute on that contract. So you've like basically created like a bridge for them to get in touch, with that contract or whatever. The second reason why people would want to buy you out is because of, to save face, I guess, because if there's an investor in your company and another company, and they're seeing that your company isn't doing so well, they'll acquire it just so their portfolio looks clean. So most of the people, they'll just like either lay off or whatever. It's the same thing as like your company actually declaring bankruptcy, but it's subtle so the investors don't lose face or whatever. Especially if you have some really rich investors in your company, they'll do that. That's the second reason for a buyout. The third one is just it's an exit play. So if you were gearing for a plan to, and I don't think that's the case with MVIS because MVIS is already public. You wouldn't go public. You'd rather just keep it all private and then just sell directly to Microsoft instead of this, because when you're selling it at this point, it looks to the investors like there's a problem with this company. And that's why you're selling to Microsoft. And normally, companies once they go public, like when Snap went public or whatever, you know.
It looks like these guys. Hold on.
I like stock twits with SGBX. This will run, but first get down there. I'm in.
Oh, MVIS. Wait, did I put? Nah, never mind. Alright.
MVS is staying there.
Sorry.
SGBX falling back down to wherever it's at. I can't wait for this to just die, and then I can pick this up when the news is actually, like, once the offering happens or something. They should have offered at the 9. That would have been awesome. They offered at the 9, got back down to 3, and everybody will buy it.
It looks like MVIS went public in 2010.
Sorry?
It looks like MVIS went public in 2010.
Yeah.
UAVS is still going up? What? No. Oh. What? No, it's only that much.
One of the guys on the chats posted this like picture where they had that Scooby-Doo guy that was taking off the mat,
Oh yeah, I saw that. Yep, that was hilarious. Yeah. I was laughing so hard. That was actually a high quality.
AG is it's not rising. It's been falling all day yesterday. There's no point in looking at it. I know once something drops that much, you've got at least 2 days of recovery before it starts showing some uptrend. People start coming back to it. But with the AG, that news is so horrible. I don't know. It'll ever come back. I mean, it was trading below 1 before all this news even happened. So even like the rumor even came out. So it should get back down there. I mean.
Right. It closes. Let's turn up.
What are people saying in any of these chats? What's up with MVIS is not doing anything?
I think we're just gonna have to wait till market opens.
I see volume dying out, so
Yeah. Nothing's gonna
unless
happen.
something else pops up. It's really, if you look at the top charts right now, it's SGBX number 1 spot, MVIS number 2 spot, and CLSK number 3 spot. Then there's AKBA. What's AKBA? Oh wait, PLTA was jumped as first spot. I kind of get that, but
I got for the highest market percent change. I got SGBX, CLSK, MVS, TTI, COPN, KOPN.
AKBA. What is AKBA? Therapeutic. Alright, UVK. ZOM. ZOM. ZOM is moving again. I hate this ZOM thing. I was in ZOM like 5 times. It just keeps doing its shit each time. The proof of care, the point of care diagnostic platform or something. Trueforma. It is generally uptrending from yesterday. Somewhere in the middle of the day, today got to kick up and start and move. God.
Well, Gishmo
These
took forever to
sub-penny
type,
stocks,
bro.
I never really thought I would invest in these sub-penny stocks.
APDM price target raised to $18 from $8, and that's based on the risk-adjusted probability of APDM producing a viable FDA-approved COVID-19 vaccine candidate. We are increasing our out-year revenue estimates. 1.4.
Nothing else is moving. God's not making any calls yet.
I might surpass Gishmo. He's at 1410 right now.
Was APDN doing something? What the frick? I sell out of APDN and then it jumps to 980. I could have sold out at a profit. Is that what they're saying? Oh my god!
Dude.
Why do it take like forever to just jump? I don't.
When did you sell out of it? Today?
This morning, yeah, as soon as market open, like as soon as it started, I sold out at like 8, at like 9-ish, $9.
Dude,
Now
that's
it's,
so bad for
I
you.
I could have basically made a profit, have some bit, if I just held it a little bit longer. It's definitely a rock bottom, basically. Uh, but why? It's this, dude. Oh my god. Did I just mess up?
It's going to 10, bro.
Should I buy back in?
No, don't. No, why?
I don't know.
Don't do it, bro.
I'm so pissed off.
You're gonna be chasing it at this point, bro.
Yeah, I know. I should just held it. Just like there's nothing else moving. Why sell out? Just hold it. That was crazy.
Dude, the RSI is looking pretty good on this. It's 72. Go to sleep, bro.
Oh god. What messes with me is I could actually have sold out at a profit. I could have sold out with like 17K in profit. Yesterday when it went all the way to 13, but yeah, the fact that I could have sold out at any profit was. Dude, getting back to the 10. Oh my god. This is pissing me off too much.
Don't look at it then, bro.
This time around, it's not gonna like freaking bother me like last time, because this time around, it's not. People are not buying in, like expecting it to drop again. I'm buying back in, frick.
Don't do it, bro. Don't do it. Alright, bro. Don't hold it all day, though. Did you buy it?
Yeah.
What price?
10, 14.
Oh my god.
That sucks. I could have bought it in at 10. No doubt. But yeah. It's like, god damn it, I should have just fucking held. Why the fuck did I sell? I would have been solidly profitable from yesterday. Because both MVIS that I put it in was doing well yesterday, saved my ass yesterday. And then today, this thing is actually rising. Could save my, oh my god. I'm just so pissed off at myself right now. So pissed off.
There you go. There's some green.
Yeah, I know. Now I'm basically solid. But I was like, hell, could have just held
What's the news on APDN? It's just the vaccine or something.
vaccine on animals.
Oh yeah, you told me.
So we're able to get it working for animals. So I mean, to take it to the next leap to humans is definitely gonna be like a challenge. And there's other companies already doing human clinical trials and shit. So I could see why it's. Should I get into SGBX? Just say fuck it. Fuck it to the offering.
Just go into MVS. It looks promising. SGBX, aren't they getting whatever, I forgot what it's called. I'm blinked out. Good price jump on APDN, so APDN might go up today. MVIS, I broke up with Mavis a few weeks ago. She seems to be doing much better now. 7,000 shares at 30 cents. Oh, boo hoo.
It's like, see, the thing with this is like it's a $10 stock, and there's like 58 volume in the pre-market, 68 and 83K volume in the pre-market. That means the people are actually spending like $1 million in the pre-market. It's like it's different compared to like a penny stock that's moving maybe $1 million in the pre-market. This thing is pretty much the same thing as like a sub penny stock moving with $1 million, with this being at like 100K. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because it's $10 stock. Somebody buying people buying this many shares in the pre-market is just like everybody's like now, oh, finally after a whole day of beatdown, we can actually see where this could potentially go. I think it's because Maxim raised its price target to 18. And so now people are like, oh, okay, that makes, now we're comfortable with actually letting this rise. That's fucked up, though. I could have made so much money. It's like I could have made profit on this.
How many shares did you have?
This time around, I only bought like 1,000 shares.
What about before you sold at a loss?
It's not even passing the $10 anymore.
So you're at a loss again? Why'd you chase it?
But that much volume in the pre-market is just crazy, even with just 2 minutes of volume. But this much volume is crazy. Shit is falling back down. What the heck?
MVS just needs to break 168 and then 17. Yeah, all good.
Why is MVIS still moving?
No. It's consolidating, I think. Yeah. It's at 156, bro. You might as well get in.
I'm not getting into MVIS until I know clear direction of where it's going.
Alright, man. What about your small account?
Nothing.
What are you gonna do with your small account?
Same with the big one. Well, I mean, I'm not getting it into APDN. I didn't even put it all into APDN because I'm like, okay, it's good, but it's not, the best thing I could probably put my money into. But this is like a sort of safe play now because, it failed last time, and I don't think it'll fail again. It's just stupid bears, man. Stupid bears.
Good earnings for Visa. Mark is about to break bottom band.
Mark is gonna crash all day. If I could bet against Mark, I'd probably bet against it today. And just hit the dollar for a bit. MVIS actually like holding itself really well, so that's what I kind of like about MVIS.
Oh, there it goes. MVIS just shot up. Whoa, and it's still shooting up. Volume came in way hard, bro. It's at 163 now.
Oh shit! Yeah, I'll get it.
Told you so.
I'm getting it.
I'm just messing.
I'm buying it.
I'm just playing, bro. 163. 64. Come on, it's just a break 168. 165.
I'm all in. With my small account in the MVIS, my big account, I'm still waiting. Oh god, why is this pissing me off right now? APDN fell back to 980, whatever. 965? Yeah, 965. Damn. I got it at 10 thinking now it's gonna be safe. Even MVIS did that, like rise and then fell, and now it's rising again. But that volume is definitely a good kick needed.
Yeah, volume still wow. Tombstone. Yeah, it's selling. People are shorting it, I think.
It's a secondary riser. It's gonna get shorts.
Doji.
I should have thought of that. Shit. Why did I get all in now? I should have just waited to market.
No, I mean the Bulls are pushing it up.
Yeah, I know they're gonna push it. They're gonna keep pushing it, but and with rumors, it doesn't really die. So it's not like news. Rumors are better.
Two dojis in a row. And it needs more volume.
It's got a lot of volume. It's
Or
just
one doji.
buying or selling volume is both stagnant.
Needs more buying
Just-
volume.
Shake Shack is moving up.
Shake Shack. Shake Shack.
Wayfair, Shake Shack, all of this.
Steak and cheese.
Why did I get into MVIF?
I don't know why you're regretting it, but it's gonna go up. You just got
I
in
know,
out.
but
You just
I
got in
could
at
have
the
gotten
wrong
to
time,
something
bro.
better.
Okay.
Because this already had its rise.
If it hits 3 today, I'll be a happy person. Once 150.
AMC is going up. A little bit. LB. Okay, a little bit. SHAK is Shake Shack. Nope, it's not doing nothing. Starbucks and Credit Check, FBUX, and CH.
It really just needs to go to 2.5 and then I can break even.
Chegg just got a whole kick in volume, 300k shares. How does somebody spend? How do people put 300k shares on a stock that's worth $50 already? How much is that? And there was this one big order. There's one big order for 171,000 shares at 51.40.
For Shug?
Yeah.
Did you get shares in Shug? Should we move the call over to the group chat?
Okay, yeah, let's do that. Alright, we're in the group. Okay. Yeah, that Chegg thing just makes no sense. Who buys this much? SGBX finally taking off? Really?
MVIS.
Dude, it's not. It hasn't even done its offering yet. Why the people are just not waiting for this? They should offer like before market opens.
People,
I can't get into SPBX unless they offer this.
Knots,
I'm not taking that risk today.
Knots just said to sell 75 or 80% of your CLSK on the big gap. The next thing is solo.
God, I mean, I don't think MVS is gonna do too much today. The maximum price target of APDN rising doesn't it's unconfirmed. It's not confirmed yet. If it does confirm, I guess it'll come back to 10, and then from there it'll be like a stable rise up today. But if it's still not confirmed, it's not going to do anything. Is anybody making any calls? Solo is doing something today.
Yeah, Knots said solo.
He's always liked Solo. Solo's a decent company. It's like some sort of weird EV manufacturer. They have this weird 3-wheel car or something. It's like a rickshaw. It's like it's a energized. It's like a electric powered rickshaw.
Alright. What is that like? Are they trying to, you know?
Check out the video.
No. Like
Check it out on
what
YouTube.
type of
It's
rickshaw do
a
you mean?
Solo car.
Solo. Well, I mean, it's not a. Is it one wheel in the back?
Yeah, it's one wheel in the back and 2 wheels in the front. So it's like a reverse rickshaw. But dude, this car is like legit. I was like watching the videos and stuff, and I'm like, wait, this company is trading for less than $1 a share. It's like
Okay,
for
wait,
long-term haul, I probably just stuff it all in here.
So it's a
in
one.
Solo and just
it's
wait
a-
until it. Because they're in Canada and they're actually selling cars.
Yeah, it's a 1-seater. But it has
Yeah, it
2
is.
doors on each side. I don't know. Well, I mean, that makes sense. But...
You could fit like 2 of these cars in like one parking
lane.
spot. Anything else moving? APDN coming back up. I want to see if this price target thing is actually going to cause to go stable up. I like the news from yesterday. Just why did the Bears
push it down so much.
Bro,
If I held
More
through from
than-
yesterday, I would actually be making profit, which is crazy. I had to hold longer. I was like holding too. People are saying I'm holding too long. I had to hold longer. Then I would have been safe. It's like you have to hold through the crazy rise to $17, and then 17K. I mean, I could have made at the $13 mark. It fell back down to below where I bought it. I'm like, damn, it fell below where I bought it. It's probably not going to do anything today. Gets this price target. This is a really slow day as well. I mean, these days, I guess, you wait till market. You don't buy pre-market. And somehow I decided to buy pre-market with MVIS. That spike just made me feel like it's coming back to life. Should have waited a little bit longer.
down to 153. Actually, you still in it though?
Where? What?
MVS.
Yeah.
Alright, good.
I'm waiting for a real spike, which might come with Robinhood. Might come, anybody who couldn't trade yesterday, or anybody who didn't trust it enough yesterday, today, it's looking like a lot more trustable, especially since it's one of the top risers in the pre-market. Like
It's starting to show upward momentum again, so.
SGBX still like being the top, but it keeps coming up and down like the wind. I just want that offering to happen. My majority of my big account is going straight into SGBX when it does its offering. There's nothing else moving.
I just got very, very high hopes for him.
APDN, no. Bouncing SMAs or not.
Scanner, volume. KOPN, MVIS, KTOV, SGBX, DFFN, NBRV, KOPN, TTI. And from those, the highest gainers.
TTI seems nice.
CLSK, SGBX, MVIS, TTI.
Yeah. APDN coming up. Maybe not. I don't know. I need to see it past 10 again.
Charts.
Frick. I just held an APDN. I'm so pissed off.
Yeah, okay. Well, we're just gonna have to wait till market opens.
I wasn't looking at anything. Not yet.
NVIS on the 5-minute chart, it's showing really good upward momentum. What else do we got? Dude, Mark is following. It's down 7%.
Oh, Mark, yeah.
It hide at $1. Scan.
It's Chinese, man. I never trusted Chinese, but the fact that how it did so well yesterday, I was like so pissed off. But I never go into Chinese companies just because they're just not real. They got too much shit in the background. Every time I went for a Chinese company, it ended up being a pump and dump. There was some company called Wafu's, WAFU. What is it now? 115 or whatever. Wow, is it still NASDAQ traded? Yeah, I guess. Then there was, which other ones did I see that I remember? CHPI, Chinese Health Pharma, CPHI? Which one was the Chinese Health, whatever? Yeah, CPHI, that does the same thing. They're all like these stocks where you'll see them spike up based off some news and then just sell off back to where they were before each time. And Mark was doing that a lot with their tweets. Mark keeps tweeting out. Remark Holdings keeps tweeting out stuff, and then you'll see their stock as soon as it spikes up start coming back down. And today, I don't know. Yesterday, it sustained its high, and now it's, I guess, coming back down to reality today.
Rose just shot up.
Oh.
Well, Rose shot up 30 minutes ago.
Which one?
ROSE. Rose.
Rose is also another stupid. Rose is a stupid company. I've seen it before. Rose Hill. I'm not going to any company with less than 100 employees. That's my hope, is I don't find that. Rose is actually pretty decent production of oil or natural gas stuff. It's an oil stock. Oh. It's based off Houston.
Why is
founded 2015?
PTLA moving?
PTLA.
No, PTLA just had this merger news and it just jumped a whole bunch and it's stationary at that new price.
May 5th, Reuters, SG Blocks signs an agreement with OSING Healthcare to distribute COVID-19 rapid tests in the United States. OSING's FDA emergency use.
Dude, I already checked the news on SGBX. SGBX is solid and moves real fast, but the problem is, damn, they have to always drop news of like an offering. They did this the last time they were rising so much. They had the news that they were going to do an offering, and that never really came to pass. But them doing that news like the beginning of the next day caused its stock price to fall, and then people just, I guess, didn't care about the offering and still pushed it up to $9 the second time around. So I don't know. This company always wants to gives good news, and then it often gives an offering news. So it just prevents itself from going up to its maximum potential. It keeps doing that.
3 more minutes, man. Almost there.
Some part of me just feels like I should have gone for I now. For like the long haul.